Hi, Michelle here, and I'm going to show you how to install your rain cover on your KooperX2 stroller. So here's your rain cover. You'll notice there's a short side and a longer side. The long side goes in the front. I like to open it up and just swing it over. It lines up pretty easily. You'll notice here on the side there's some Velcro tabs, and you're going to wrap them around the frame, and that's going to help anchor that down. We also have here in the back where it will open so you can get into the pockets, and it also has a little opening for the folding lever. And that's how you install your rain cover on your KooperX2.